Well, let's see what you can do with exercises. Find three fractions equivalent to a over 11 with the numerator n less than or equal to 35. Reduce 630 over 1764. Find the units, the ones digit d, such that 49,170 something is divisible by 2, is divisible by 3, and then, if possible, construct a number that is divisible by all of the following numbers: 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 9 and 10. So find one number that you can divide by all of these. Reduce 14 over 35 times 36 over 77 times 49 over 24. What is the prime factorization of 264? What is the prime factorization of 495? Find the least common multiple of these two numbers. Then use them to add 5 over 264 plus 7 over 495. Now suppose mother has 5/6 yards of cloth. She wants to make napkins which require 9 inches of cloth each. How many napkins can she make? There are 12 inches in a foot and there are 3 feet in a yard. A warehouse contains a number of boxes, all of the same size. 2 over 21 of these boxes is removed on Monday. 1/6 of the remaining boxes is shipped out on Tuesday. And on Wednesday, 1/2 of the boxes that were still left the previous day are trucked out. And on Thursday then, the next day, you have 190 boxes left, and all of those are sold. So after Thursday, all the boxes are gone. How many boxes were in the warehouse on Monday? Assume that you know the number of boxes in the warehouse on Monday. That number be locked in the X box. Subtract 5 over 12 minus 2 over 1,155. Oh, here's another reduction problem. Reduce 12 over 35 times 21 over 4 times 10 over 9 times 11 over 26. Let me go on. A troop of Boy Scouts come to camp with 45 2/3 feet of rope. Each scout is to be cut 1 3/4 feet of rope to practice knots. The amount of rope is just sufficient for all the scouts. A little piece of rope may be left over. How many scouts are in the troop? Wouldn't it be easier to count them? Convert 150 over 37 to a mixed number. Convert 7 and 9 over 28 to an improper fraction. Add 25 6/7 to 12 11/14. Subtract 38 and 9 over 14 from 12 11 over 14. Multiply 3 6/7 by 2 1/3. Convert 81 2/3% to an exact fraction, no decimals. Convert 2/3 to an exact percent. Give your answer as a mixed number, no decimals. A retailer buys a dozen coats for $250 each. The markup rate, taken as a percent of cost is $250, is 30%. Find the sales price of a coat, the cost plus the markup. A year later, the retailer has 1 coat left and wants to give his customers a discount of 30% of the sales price, the one that was marked up, to sell the coat. The discount is computed using the same price above. How much does the customer have to pay the discount, to pay after the discount? is the discount price equal to the original cost of $250 since the markup rate was 30% and the discount was also 30%? If not, what is the retailer's profit or what is his loss? And then finally, what is 5% of 25? 25 is 5% of what number? 5 is what percent of 25? Enjoy.